Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and you keep getting this error, an unhandled exception occurred with this error code, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Resident Evil 9 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here CMD, and then you're going to make sure that you run CMD as administrator. So right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to paste this command into your command prompt. So just paste this command here and then press enter and let it do its thing once it's fully done. And now I'll show you how to do it on NVIDIA first, and after that I'll show you AMD. So just open up your start menu, right here run, and then write app data. Now you're going to go into local, and then you're going to find the folder called G3DS cache. You're going to delete this folder, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into this NVIDIA folder, and then you're going to delete both of these folders here as well, DX cache and GL cache. So delete all three of those folders. And now I'll show you how to do it on AMD. So just right click on your desktop, click AMD software, go into search and search for shader cache here. After that, click perform reset here, and then that reset your shader cache. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Resident Evil 9, you'll see that your error will have been fixed. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.